Mighty. That's the appropriate clothes must be worn. Look at that. Alright, Sunday in Venice. This is St. Mark's Basilica. So on today is not open for admission, so unfortunately we can't go in today. Sunday 5 March. It's 5 March, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But fortunately I have my lovely wife here, so I'm not too bothered about admissions in there. I'll concentrate on admissions here. There we go. What a lovely building. Look at it. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous buildings. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. Right up there. I'm gonna go up there very soon. Alright, so now we're about to St. Mark's Bell Tower. There we go.
St. Mark's Bell Tower.
Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. All the way up.
The tallest building in Venice. So we're going up there and we'll try to film everything from there.
Yeah, so we're about to go into the tallest building in Venice. It's called the St. Mark's Bell Tower. La, 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 la. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Again, look at that. Look at that. Yeah.
Tengo la ligera sospecha.
There we go. We're going up there. We're going up there.
Let's look at Venice cute. And the lift goes up. No se sabe.
Look at the view from the St. Mark's Bell Tower. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh, that's where we were. That's where we were when we were there. That's where we were when we were where? No. That's where we were when we were where we were.
Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Wow.
Check out the view.
Wow.
We're on top of St. Mark's Bell Tower. Look at that.
This is just wow.
Look at that. square. Up above. Unless we do this, the only way to get in the shot, we're on top. There we go. Alright, we're in prison now. In the background. That was loud. Hey, matey, come check this out. Venice in all its beauty. Look at that.
So perfect.
And this, look at the square. Where's the cathedral? Oh yeah. Okay, so these are the bells. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. I think there's another one that side, maybe. It is like sun is shining. Oh, I thought I was about to sing again.
You will come.
St. Mark's Bell Tower.
Sì, siamo lì. Sì, stanno. Sì, sto.
What up? Tabuda near the other side. This is where we were. Look at that. We just come from up there. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, there we go. That's where we were. The tallest building in Venice. Look at that. That's the exit.